Alright, what's up guys? I'm here with my buddy Nick and Mark, and we're gonna do a little photo shoot. Today we're gonna switch our cameras. So Mark has
I have the Canon 5D Mark IV, and I have the 24-70, and you also have the option of using the 50 1.2.
Oh, okay. And I have this camera right now that I'm filming on, Sony a6500 with the 28mm f2 lens. And we have Nick here as a model. He's the man, he has his own clothing company. We'll put that down below. Infect2 artwork, reppin'. All right, so yeah, let's jump into it, guys. This is really weird going back to a Canon camera. Yeah. I'm like, dude, what? Like, it's not, look, I can't see the electronic viewfinder. That's crazy. All right, let's see this. Hold that for a second.
Can I take a sneak peek at the images?
Yeah, they're not that good. I'm getting used to, like, the first shots that I took, I was like they were pretty underexposed.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I was kind of used to seeing what I was taking in the electronic viewfinder, like in the Sony. Mm-hmm. But now, like, realizing that I'm seeing just through the glass in the viewfinder, and you know, I have to actually look to make sure that I'm taking the image that I want to take when I look at it on the, you know, on the screen here. But yeah, I like this spot here. All right, what's up guys? So we just finished our shoot with Nick. He's actually behind the camera right now, filming us. But yeah, we had a fun time. We switched cameras. I shot on Mark's Canon 5D Mark IV. I had a little bit of struggle with that because I've been shooting on my Sony mirrorless, way different. So I had a little bit of struggle with that, but it was super fun. And then we went to a couple of different spots and we took some photos on, you know, our own cameras, and we had a great time. What do you think?
Yeah, it was fun. When I was shooting on the Sony, I actually realized that I do like having the heavy camera. Like, for me, having the long lens and like the big build of the camera, I like that. For me, it's just something I'm used to, rather than the Sony is a little, like, it reminds me of like a point and shoot camera, but it's good. It's still good quality. But
yeah. The 5D Mark IV was pretty fun to shoot on once I kind of got a little bit, you know, adapted to it. I liked that I was using the 24-70 lens and I could zoom in on Nick's face, or I could zoom out and shoot at 24, which was pretty cool. Shooting at that wide, you know, the wide focal length, that was pretty fun. And yeah, I think we got some good shots. So everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Mark's channel over here and Nick's clothing line, Infectu Artwork.
Woo!
It's he has some great clothing over there. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.